Alright, this is one of my favorite crossings here in Ann Arbor, and they're still here, so let's just say they're a little ancient. Let's just say these ones have US&S teardrop bells, as you can clearly see, and that one. Let me just take a picture. Holy cow. This is the first time I've ever even seen a US&S teardrop bell. And look at that. That is Braco. And I believe these lights, I think they're 8-inch safe train. Yep, I see safe train on there. Look at those. Look at that US&S teardrop bell. That's so cool. I really didn't think Ann Arbor had any of these. And then right there, those signals down there, that one in the middle of the screen is brand new because they did this road the other day, or other few days. This is really, really cool. You don't see this every day. I did not think Ann Arbor had US&S teardrop bells. That person was spinning like a freaking moron. But look at that. I can't cross the street. This is a like main road in downtown. So this is the only really shot I can get is this one right here. But look at this. The lights are safe train, 8-inch, I believe. Here's the emergency thing sign. Let me take one more picture of this safe this teardrop bell. Let me wait for this people to go because I don't want them to think that I'm taking pictures of them. You don't want that happening. Alright. They're gone. Get a picture. I really never thought I was going to come up to this signal in person. Oh, I don't know. Huh, kind of got it. Kind of want to just... Oh, there's people. There's people. I'm going to go first and then I'll take a picture. Oh, here's more people. Hurry. There we go. Alright. Well. Oh, and the base is, whatever that base is. I don't really know what the base is. That would be cool, though, if the train was coming, because there's, like, plenty of other crossings over to my left. That's really cool, though. Safe, teardrop bells here in Ann Arbor, still active today. These are almost like 100 years old. Or maybe. Here's made in like the 1920s. So yeah. There you go. US&S teardrop bells. Walk around. Active in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The street name is right there.